have been critical of the design of the submersible. What were the problems there?
There are actually 3 potential failure points, and the investigation hopefully can localize it down to exactly what happened. The viewport in the front was an acrylic viewport. I'm told it was rated to less depth than they were diving it to, which is one point. They also had 2 glass spheres on the sub, small glass spheres for flotation, which is a bad idea. Those are prone to failure over time. But I think the weakest link, if I had to put money down on what the finding will be, the Achilles heel of the sub was the composite cylinder that was the main hull that the people were inside. There were 2 titanium end caps on each end. They are relatively intact on the seafloor, but that carbon fiber composite cylinder is now just in very small pieces, and it's all rammed into one of the hemispheres. So it's pretty clear that that's what failed. The question is, was it the primary failure or a secondary failure from something else happening? But I'm putting my money on the composite because you don't use composites for vessels that are seeing external pressure. They're great for internal pressure vessels like scuba tanks, for example, but they're terrible for external pressure. So this was trying to apply aviation thinking to a deep submergence engineering problem. And we all said that it was a flawed idea, and they didn't go through certification, so it wasn't sort of peer reviewed by other engineering entities, like any of these what they call classing bureaus that do certification for vessels and submersibles and things like that. And I think that was a critical failure.